Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Or you fill my head with peace.
For the first recipe, we're going to make some overnight oats. You'll need to start off with some old-fashioned oats, followed by chia seeds, and then some cacao powder. These are my favorite dates in the whole world. They're from Trader Joe's, but I also like this brand too. But the fancy medjool dates from Trader Joe's are literally the best. They're so soft and creamy. If you get some dates, they can be really firm, so you can soak them in boiling water to soften them up if you need them for a recipe. But here I'm just chopping 2 dates. I'm also adding some of the fresh blueberries that Matt and I picked at the farm. I'm so excited. It's going to taste so delicious with these. And lastly, you can add in some plant milk. I'm using almond milk. In the morning, remove it from the refrigerator, then give it a really good stir to combine all those flavors, and you have a healthy breakfast ready to go. For lunch, I'm having a Lavash veggie wrap with mango flowers. To make the mango flowers, cut a mango on the side where it has the 2 large cheeks, and you'll get these little pieces. Then take a sharp knife and cut a grid-like pattern into the flesh of the mango. And then you can invert it like this, and it makes these really pretty tropical-looking flowers. Next, I'm just prepping some brown rice and getting some lavash bread toasted. I'm only toasting it for about a minute because it's coming from the freezer. Anything longer than a minute, it's just gonna get really crispy and be really hard to fold into a wrap. And then just add some brown rice. I'm adding a little spinach and fresh basil, yellow pepper, tomato, avocado, red cabbage, some salt and pepper, and then tahini dressing because I am in love with tahini. It's like my favorite sauce. Then roll it up and cut it down the middle, and you have a healthy and pretty quick lunch. This came delicious, and I'm having it with some water for hydration. Later in the evening, I made some green split pea soup for dinner. My husband really loved this. In a large pot, add some diced yellow onion, garlic cloves, carrots, and some veggie broth. Stir that together and simmer for about 8 minutes until all of the veggies are tender. And don't forget, all the recipes are in the description box below. Green split peas are super healthy. They have a lot of vitamins and minerals, protein, fiber, and they're super cheap to buy at the store. They're about $1 a bag. Once the veggies have finished cooking, I'm adding more veggie broth, the green split peas, some liquid smoke, which is such a great product to have. I use this in coconut bacon, and you can find it in the barbecue section at the store. It's awesome. That really ups the flavor. Then some coriander, sea salt, black pepper, and give it a good stir. Bring the soup to a boil. Then once it gets to boiling, reduce it to simmer, cover, and cook for 45 minutes. Stir every so often and just make sure that the peas have cooked through. Once the peas are tender, I'm adding a couple tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, as well as a little bit more liquid smoke. And it's ready to go. I'm topping my soup off with some fresh cilantro and fresh green onion and a little bit of salt and pepper as well. I hope you enjoyed the recipes in today's video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!